scrappy gonna make me happy. Cutouts on the caprice, y'all. I think I want to do that again. Just let me tell you, I like them a lot. I want the stuff from the bottom to the top. How far am I away? Probably about 10 minutes away. Uh-oh, my speeder getting away because he's linking in the way. Yeah, my speeder getting away because this linking in the way. I can switch to lanes so he can get out of my way. I can get the gas. Spot you can speed, man. And then AC. I had that AC. Oh, snap, what the hell is this leaving all up in the air like that? Bumpers flapping. Ooh, what about that front fender too? Lord, that motherfucker about to fly apart. Damn, everything moving on it. Got an internet. Take up so much juice. My speed is gone. Tell me something good. Got raptor transit on here. Here go the 251B Texas Motorplex exit. I hope somebody out here needing cooked, child. Gotta be careful when y'all come over here in this spot over here. Them laws be hot. You know, I gotta get in and get out. I know how to do it though. Everybody, you gotta, over here you gotta keep looking around. I'm talking about left, right, left. Like I'm talking about you gotta be looking. over here, they'll pop out on you. I'm talking about. And then see how I do, I slow down. They light up that red, I gonna slow down. But you gotta still be looking left, right. See that light turn green, go on, get your 35 back up. These laws out here, you never know where they at. You gotta get a look in your mirror. You gotta check them mirrors. Here go another spot they can get you into. Yeah, they'll get you right here. You see that sign right there? You gotta get in this right lane. They be waiting on you right here to see if you got messed up. Then they'll get you. Oh, see. Watch. Watch the laws. Watch your mirrors. Okay. He flashes light. Ooh, he must see something. Ooh, he got them flashes built up. Oh yeah. Careful. That might be one. Yeah, creep. You gotta creep it. Yeah. But then you want somebody to be behind you all the time. Yeah, I don't want. Can't roll up on me. Hey, girl.